Make a great choice today with the 2023 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, cargo cover, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.